When the news cycle starts throwing around talk of collapse and war, a lot of folks suddenly realize their gun safe looks mighty empty. If supply chains seize up and your local store shelves go bare, firearms stop being toys. They become survival gear. This lineup isn't about flashy military showpieces. These are workhorses that thrive in mud, dust, and lean times. Chambered in calibers you can actually find when things get ugly. Built to cover everything from putting food on the table to defending the people you love. Quiet plinkers, hard-hitting handguns, shotguns that double as both hunting tools and fortress stoppers, rifles that stretch the distance when you need it. Every pick here comes with straight talk why it earns a slot in a survival plan, the ballistics that matter, and what it'll cost to keep one by your side. Glock 19. No survival firearm list is complete without the Glock 19. It's the definition of balance, small enough to carry daily, big enough to win a fight, and chambered in 9mm. A typical 115 grain load clocks around 1,200 feet per second, hitting with just over 350 foot-pounds of energy. It's not about raw horsepower. It's about the perfect trade-off fight-stopping performance paired with ammo you can always source. Over 1.5 billion rounds of 9mm are made in the US every year, and being NATO's standard sidearm cartridge means you'll see it in military caches, police lockers, and even stashed away in private homes across the country. Average price today hovers around 25 cents per round, affordable enough to stack deep. Where Glock shines is rugged simplicity, just 34 parts. This striker-fired design runs after being frozen, buried, or dragged through muck. Standard magazine holds 15+1, and if you want more, it runs just fine with extended mags. Field stripping takes seconds, no tools, no guesswork. Market price falls in the $500 to $700 range, cheap insurance when you think about what's at stake. Smith & Wesson J-Frame Revolver. Sometimes survival isn't about firepower, it's about having a gun on you when you actually need it. That's where the Smith & Wesson J-Frame comes in. Chambered in .38 Special, this little revolver has guarded more pockets, purses, and ankle holsters than most guns combined. Weight is barely 15 ounces. Length just over 6 inches. It disappears under any layer of clothing. Capacity is 5 shots. Load it with a 125 grain round, and you're pushing roughly 950 feet per second, more than enough at defensive distances. The cartridge itself has been around since 1898. Still in worldwide production. And here's the key. Because it isn't a frontline military round, it usually avoids being snatched up in wartime shortages. Cost per round averages around 57 cents. And if you want flexibility, the same ammo can also chamber in .357 Magnum wheel guns. Price for a J-frame runs $400 to $600. That's a fair deal for a revolver you can literally keep on you every single day without anyone noticing. Mossberg 590A1. When your home becomes your last line of defense, nothing steadies the nerves like racking a shell into a 12-gauge pump. And few shotguns carry the reputation of the Mossberg 590A1. Originally spec'd to meet US military standards, it's built like a tank. Steel trigger guard, heavy-walled barrel, Parkerized finish. Everything about this gun screams durability. Load it with double-aught buckshot, and you're launching 9.33 caliber pellets at 1,200 feet per second. That's the equivalent of unloading a mini salvo with each pull of the trigger, 1,300 foot-pounds of combined energy. Switch to slugs, and you're punching through barriers and even vehicles. Swap to birdshot, and it doubles as your small game hunting piece. That's the kind of flexibility survivalists dream of. 12 gauge is the single most common shotgun shell in the world, used for hunting, clay sports, and defense. That means even if governments are hoarding rifle ammo, you'll still find 12 gauge in circulation. Cost runs about $1 to $3 per shell, depending on the load. Used Mossbergs can be had for $500 or so, a bargain for a gun that might anchor your entire homestead defense. Ruger 1022. Survival isn't always gunfights and barricades. Sometimes it's about putting food on the fire. That's where the Ruger 1022 comes in. Chambered in .22 long rifle, it's a lightweight semi-auto that launches a 40-grain bullet at about 1,070 feet per second. It won't knock down walls, but it'll handle rabbits, squirrels, even a turkey if you know your shot placement. The true advantage is ammo. .22 long rifle is the most mass-produced cartridge on Earth. Over 2 billion rounds get made in the US every year. Even during the 2020 panic, you could still find .22 when centerfire shelves were bare. At 8 to 12 cents a round, you can pack tens of thousands into a single ammo can without breaking the bank. The rifle itself runs $300 to $400. Simple blowback action, legendary durability. It eats cheap ammo, runs dirty, and keeps feeding when every other gun in the safe feels too loud or too valuable to burn. In a collapse, efficiency matters, and the Ruger 1022 delivers it in spades. Kel Tec Sub-2000. When survival demands speed and mobility, the Kel Tec Sub-2000 stands out. This pistol-caliber carbine was designed for portability. It folds in half, tucks neatly into a backpack, vehicle compartment, or bug-out bag. At just over 4 pounds, it weighs less than most laptops, but it still hits like a proper rifle. Chambered in 9mm, it fires the same ammo as a Glock 19, and depending on the version, it can even run the same magazines. That means one caliber, one mag pool, 2 guns covering both close quarters and mid-range defense. Performance-wise, the 16-inch barrel squeezes extra velocity out of a standard 115 grain round. You're looking at about 1,300 feet per second. That stretches effective range out to 100 yards. Plenty for defense or light hunting. Price point lands around $500 to $600. For what it gives you, a folding carbine that keeps you mobile, armed, and efficient, it's some of the best insurance you can stash. AR-15. If survival had a flagship rifle, it would be the AR-15. Why? Because no other platform adapts to your needs the way this one does. Chambered in 5.56 NATO or 2.23 Remington, it can shift roles in minutes. Lightweight carbine for fast movement and close defense. Or with an upper swap, a heavy barrel precision rig that stretches past 500 yards. Ballistics are solid. The 62 grain NATO load runs about 3,200 feet per second, carrying 1,250 foot-pounds of energy, enough to stop threats or drop medium game. And because the Ruger Mini 14 runs the same round, compatibility is everywhere. The real survival advantage is ecosystem. Billions of rounds of 5.56 exist worldwide. Over 100 million magazines are already out there. Every part, barrels, triggers, optics, stocks can be customized, repaired, or replaced indefinitely. Solid builds run $600 to $800. For that, you get a rifle that never stops being relevant, no matter how the situation changes. Ruger Mini 14. Now, not every survival rifle needs to scream military. The Ruger Mini 14 proves that subtle can be just as effective. It's chambered in 2.23 Remington, cross-compatible with 5.56 NATO. That means it fires the second most common rifle cartridge in the US, 50 to 80 cents per round if you're stockpiling ahead of time. And when scavenging later, odds are high you'll find it in bunkers, depots, or abandoned caches. Ballistics? A 55 grain bullet moving north of 3,200 feet per second. Impact energy over 1,200 foot-pounds. Plenty for mid-size game or defensive use. Where the Mini 14 shines is in its profile. With a woodstock silhouette, it looks like a farmer's varmint rifle, not a soldier's weapon. That low-key appearance could be the difference between blending in and drawing fire. Mechanically, it runs a simple gas-operated action, proven, reliable. It shrugs off dust, mud, and neglect. Price typically runs $800 to $1,000. Not the cheapest, but when survival depends on both firepower and staying under the radar, the Mini 14 earns its keep. AK-47. If there's one rifle that earned its stripes by suffering through every swamp, desert, and frozen trench on Earth, it's the AK-47. Chambered in 7.62 by 39mm, this battle rifle throws a 123 grain projectile at about 2,350 feet per second. That translates to over 1,500 foot-pounds of impact energy. But here's the thing. It's not just about the numbers. It's about the fact that this gun flat-out works when nothing else will. The sloppy tolerances built into its design are the reason it keeps running caked with grit or sand. Cleaning? Optional? Abuse? Expected. Drop it in a rice paddy or bury it in mud and it still cycles. That's why over 100 militaries still issue it. And the ammo, that's the AK's ace in the hole. 7.62 by 39 is the most mass-produced military cartridge in history. Since 1943, over 100 billion rounds have been stamped out across dozens of countries. Even if global supply chains collapse, chances are good you'll still find crates of it stacked in warehouses or bunkers. At about 35 cents per round, it's cheap to stockpile. And for $800 to $1,200, you can get into a quality AK. That's a small price to pay for reliability that borders on indestructible. FN SCAR-17S. Every survival loadout benefits from one centerpiece rifle. For a lot of preppers, that crown goes to the FN SCAR-17S. It runs 7.62 NATO, also known as 308 Winchester, and that brings heavyweight power into a modern modular platform. A 150 grain bullet leaves the barrel around 2,750 feet per second. That's close to 2,500 foot-pounds of energy. Enough to anchor big game, punch through intermediate barriers, or shut down a threat way beyond the reach of intermediate calibers. But the SCAR's strength isn't just raw horsepower. It balances that power with ergonomics and adaptability. The short-stroke gas piston system runs cooler and cleaner than direct impingement rifles, keeping carbon buildup low and reliability high during long strings of fire. Its folding stock, adjustable cheek riser, and full-length rail let you tune it for your body and your mission. Long-range optics, close-quarters accessories, night vision rigs, it handles all of it. Another advantage, magazines. It feeds from standard NATO pattern mags. That means in a crisis, you're plugging into the same supply chain the world's militaries already rely on. Price point runs around $3,000. That's serious money. But what you get is a rifle that acts like both sledgehammer and scalpel. Whether you're patrolling, hunting, or defending the perimeter, the SCAR-17 delivers battlefield-grade capability in a package built for real survival. Precision bolt-action rifle, 308 Winchester. When the fight stretches past 600 yards, you need reach and accuracy that only a good bolt gun can give. That's where a precision rifle in 308 Winchester comes in. Think classics like the Remington 700, a rifle that served hunters and military snipers for decades. Ballistics are tried and true. A 150 grain bullet at about 2,820 feet per second. That's nearly 2,650 foot-pounds of energy. Plenty to drop large game or stop a threat before they ever get within shouting distance. Ammo availability is another win. 308 Winchester is virtually twin to 7.62 NATO. That round is everywhere in sniper rifles, machine guns, and military stockpiles. So whether you're buying ahead of time or scavenging later, you'll find it. Price per round usually runs $1 to $2. The trade-off? Precision and range. Sub-MOA accuracy from a $600 to $1,000 rifle with decent glass means you can project force farther than almost anything else in your safe. It's not the rifle you sling every single day. But when you need to make a statement or put meat on the table from serious distance, the 308 bolt gun is your equalizer, your insurance policy against being outranged. When the world tips sideways, survival isn't about having the flashiest rifle on the rack. It's about building a balanced toolkit that works when it matters. Every gun we've covered plays a role from close-quarters defense, to mobile patrol, to long-range precision. Together they form a system rooted in reliability, adaptability, and purpose. Because survival isn't just about firepower. It's about confidence. The confidence of knowing you've got the right tool in your hands, no matter what situation unfolds. If this breakdown sparked ideas for your own setup or showed you what holes you might need to fill, make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment. That way you don't miss the next deep dive right here on Gunman Ballistic.